Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at the Verefa robot vacuum cleaner. This thing is a powerful vacuum. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, let me tell you some of the cool aspects of the L11. It's a Pro, it is auto emptying, and you don't have to clean it out for 70 days. It's pretty much like having your own cleaning lady coming pretty much every day if you want her to. That's fantastic. And this gives you a great value. Now, it comes with a 4-liter large dust bag for auto emptying, and again, 70 days. That's like 10 weeks that you never get your hands dirty and never have to vacuum. It's got LiDAR navigation, which is the same stuff that's driving those really smart cars. Also, it's got hardcore cleaning power, a maximized system with 2700 PA of strong suction for dirt, debris, hair, fur, etc. If you got a cat or dog, this is the perfect thing to clean while you're at work. Yeah, it's going to pick the dirt up off your rugs, off your carpets, off your floors, your tile, your wood, whatever you may have in the house. On top of that, it has a great app, which is perfect for all sorts of commands. You can have no-go zones. You can have it just clean certain rooms, certain times, have it clean in the middle of the night while you're asleep or while you're at work. It also has app control with the Echo device, so you can use voice control, and a physical button is available. So anyone from the kids to the elderly can use this fantastic thing easily. The battery life is up to 160 minutes, and it can clean 1,700 square feet of hardwood on a single run. I also love the rubberized wheels and the quietness. This thing is only 58 decibels, which is just above a whisper. So you can still have normal conversations in the room while this is cleaning. Anti-fall and anti-bump, you'll see that it doesn't fall off when we're using it, and that's nice. And I also, I set a couple things in the way, put a jar of Jif in its way, and it just went around it, didn't knock it off, and I thought that was fantastic. So it's got spot cleaning, auto cleaning, 6 clean modes, room cleaning, zone cleaning, auto pointed cleaning, and remote cleaning. It'll clean all by itself, and you can start it up with the app from the other side of the world if you just have Wi-Fi. How easy is that? So folks, between the LiDAR navigation, the main roller brush, the great suction, that powerful battery, the long run time, this is a fantastic robot vacuum that you're going to want to pick up. There aren't many in its class, and tying it into your Echo device or tying it into the app, which is most convenient for me, makes this a winner. All right, stick around for the up-close portion of the video. We're going to show you even more. Auto-emptying robot vacuum, which you can not have to empty the bag for 70 days. A 70-day challenge of not having to empty the bag. Comes with the charging base for auto-emptying, the robot, user manual, the side brush, the side cleaning brush, as well as additional brushes, a dust bag, and a filter. So very exciting there. It's the L11 Pro with laser navigation, 2700 PA of powerful suction, auto emptying, a large dirt bin, long run time, and auto boost. Has Wi-Fi enabled, and it works with Alexa and your Google Assistant. All right, fantastic. Let's go ahead and pop her open and see what's inside. Very excited about this video. I've heard so many good things about Verefa and their robot vacuums. Now, put it up close and see. Pull this off, pull that off. How satisfying is this? How satisfying is that? Pull out the protective foam inserts and any additional plastics, and your vacuum is good to go. Let's look underneath. Got the 3-wheel brush, the nice fine bristles here, and of course, your bin, which does come with a little brush for cleaning it out, cleaning up your stuff, and looks like there's a filter, and that's how you empty it out, and that's going to be fantastic as well. Slide her in, and really a nice product, rubberized wheels, and so forth. Of course, like we said, it does have an extra filter and an extra 3-prong brush. On top of all of that, your docking station is included for 70 days of fun. And the dirt bag. Can't beat a good dirt bag, huh? I can think of a few dirt bags out there. I won't name names, but I'm thinking of you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this box and set it to the side. Very exciting here. Cool products and cool stuff. So we've got the Verefa vacuum. Got a home and a power button right on top. And looks like, oh, a nice docking station. That's easy with cord, making it easy to use. So Verefa, let's go ahead and check up here. You can see there's the big bag where you only have to empty it every 70 days. Close her down. And it looks like it's going to be a straightforward docking process. It's going to auto dock for you. Just like that, easy peasy, to the degree of a lemon squeezy. Let's go ahead and back you up so you can see that a little better. So folks, if you're looking for a fantastic robot vacuum, one that's going to make a world of difference in your life, well, trust the good folks at Verefa. Really fantastic, high speed, low drag, and they're making great products every single time. Ding, 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 ding. So these robot vacuums get smarter and smarter with time. I'm a big, big fan, and I can't wait to get started. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're only showing you products that we absolutely love, and guess what? This thing does seem fantastic. All right, I'm gonna test it, see if it falls off the edge or if it recognizes the edge. It's nice that it does recognize the edge. I think that's gonna make a world of difference for me. Already cleaning, and I'm just gonna plug in the docking station, and this thing's gonna be good to go. Maybe connect it to the Wi-Fi, and look at that, it avoided running into obstacles. That's a big issue as well. I'm very excited about that, folks. All right, folks, go ahead and pick it up. You will not be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products that we love. And guess what? This thing is the bee's knees, the cat's pajamas, and the cat's meow. So go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.